Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, remember to hit that subscribe button. Today's video, I think you guys are going to enjoy. It's actually a top from Mr. Price that I tie-dyed. Remember to check out my video on that because I have filmed a video on that. But today we're going to try on some different SHEIN clothes and I'm actually going to give you a review. So SHEIN is a website that is basically a store located in China, and I ordered these products about 2.5 months ago and actually received it within 7 to 10 days. It was so quick, you guys. I was actually shocked that I didn't even have to pay customs. I wasn't there when I got delivered, so I wasn't sure which courier they delivered it with, but I got it in like a big sealed box, which I'm really happy about because I know this was a bit more on the pricey side. Because I've got a lot of stuff though, it's actually really affordable. That's the thing with South Africa, sometimes you pay, sometimes you don't. I don't know what's happening there. I have a video on buying international products and makeup and stuff like that if you want to check it out. But apart from that, I was actually quite surprised with how quickly it came. I mean, this was also when we had like jobs, money, the rand was good, those sort of things, you know. When you purchase anything, there's always a risk involved. So some have bad experiences, some have good, but for me, I've had a good experience. So I think I'm gonna start trying on the product, showing you guys what it looks like, and then I'll also just give you my little review on it. I absolutely love this top. It's so cute. It's like two different t-shirts combined in one. You can see the one side is shorter than the other side, so it literally looks like two t-shirts that have been cut in half, sewed together, and it's big and it's just like flowy and cute, and it looks really cute when you like tuck it in with your jeans and let some of it hang out. Even the graphic on the tee is different. The quality is like a good old t-shirt. I actually really love this top, and to be honest, like some of these items I haven't even tried on because I wanted like my first review to be for this video. But this one I have been rocking a bit. So this is just a cute t-shirt. Obviously it's tie-dye and I love little tie-dye cuties. It's also got some eyes on me, which just kind of adds to lashes and makeup, which I really love. It's a very thin t-shirt, but it's not bad quality and it really fits well and looks super cute. So moving into some winter items, but still sticking with the tie-dye, this is really cute. It's like shorter than a normal top. It's actually got a printed tie-dye on it, but I love the pink and blue. The quality really not that great. It doesn't really have a seam at the bottom. It's supposed to be like a crop top, but it's not really that short, as you can see. The sleeves are quite lengthy, so you can just like, you know, be cute. So even though the quality is not that great, it looks really nice and it's still actually quite warm. It's 95% polyester and the rest is something else, I'm not sure. 5% spandex. So it's got a weird feeling to it. It's almost like a bit crunchy, but it's not uncomfortable and it doesn't really hurt me on the inside because here it's quite smooth, but it's not a very thick like sweater that will keep you warm in the coldest weather. I think this is actually nice for like winter afternoons. Here in South Africa our afternoons are still quite warm but chilly. It's so weird to say that, but it makes sense. And then this is like nice to wear, you know. I mean, this is like so cute. I am obsessed. It's got like tie-dye fur on the sleeves. The sleeves are really big and like it's just like the perfect comfortable, wanna look cute. Pair this up with like jeans and Converse and you can use it to go out. You can just chill in it at home. It is like a almost like a sort of stretchy t-shirt material, but it's really like comfortable. It's so comfy, and then it's got queen and tie-dye fur and it's really comfortable. Like this is like one of my favorite items, and I actually just put it on for the first time and I'm just like, yes queen. Now I'm obsessed with t-shirt dresses. I know they're pretty old school, like 3 years ago, but then they come back and they go and whatever. So I was just really drawn to this one. It's got a beautiful olive color, beautiful writing on here. The sleeves are nice and long. Once again, nice big fit. I think I actually bought this in a bigger size because I wanted to be loose, but it's like a dress. I don't know if you guys can see, and I think this will be so cute. You pair it up with like knee-high boots, I think, or thigh-high. Wait, is it thigh-high or knee-high? No, it's thigh-high. I'm so confused, but the boots that like come up to here, I think they're going to be big this winter season, yeah, my eyes. And I think that this is gonna look so fancy paired up with those boots and just a nice statement handbag, you know. But I love this color, I love the fit, really comfy, really warm as well, and c'est la vie, baby. Okay, I really liked puffy sleeves, and I hope they'll stay a bit longer for another season, including in winter. And I basically saw this beautiful green dress. It's a little bit shorter than the olive one I tried on, so this is a bit more girly and beautiful. You'll dress more romantic with this sort of dress. I really love the sleeves. The sleeves are beautiful. It's got the little flower embroideries on there, and it's got that little bit of puffiness, so it's really cute. So like this material is a bit like thin. I think it might be cold in like cold winter time, but once again during the day when it's warmer, this might actually look really nice. But I absolutely love the detail on this, and this just makes me feel so girly and pretty, and yeah. Now this jersey is like, I don't know, this makes me feel so elegant. It's also got like a bit of a puffy sleeve going on. You can see the sleeve drops down, so it's quite like baggy, but it's got this beautiful detail over here, which just reminds me of like the French fashion, I mean, ages ago. It's not a super long sweater. Like, I would probably tuck this into my jean or like a cute little skirt or something like that. But I love the puffiness of the sleeves, and once again, the quality of this one is not that great. Like, it's not a very thick sweater. It won't keep you warm if you only wear this, but the look of it looks so elegant, and it almost like looks expensive, you know. Okay, so this top I just fell in love with. I'm not gonna button it up right now, but I fell in love once again with the puffy sleeve. It's like, it feels pretty much like Kev's normal button t-shirts, so I would say the quality feels actually quite good of this one. And I love this because I feel like you can really dress it up. Like, you can make it casual, open it up, do some Converse and jeans with it, or you can really match it up with like a nice black pair of pants, statement necklace, button this up, statement necklace, and just really go for like that elegant sort of look. It is a bit on the big side, which I'm quite bummed about, because these size charts are so on point, you guys. If you have a measuring tape with you and you like measure yourself, stick to the sizes they tell you to order, because some of the products I went to size bigger because the measurement like was exactly my measurement, and I thought, oh my gosh, it might be too tight, so let's just take a bigger one. But then with this one, it's almost like it's a little bit too big, although I think I can still make it work. So if you do measure yourself and you look at the size guides, really just stick to those. You must also remember, like, I feel like the price I paid for this was so worth it for what I'm getting. Obviously the rand dollar was not as bad, whereas now, I don't know about now, I would actually rather wait until it's a better exchange rate before purchasing. But so far, I must say, I'm actually pretty impressed with these items. I feel so like Vogue in this. So moving on to some cute, more elegant tops. I really liked the detail on this one. Once again, the eyes and lashes, the puffy sleeves. This I also took in a size bigger, and I actually regret it because it's like so loose on me, and I think it would have looked nicer if it was like tight with these puffy sleeves. But other than that, I can still make it work. So this is like a t-shirt material, actually quite good quality. You can't at all see through it, so that is quite cool. It's so cute, like. So before I try this on, so this one is actually like a bodysuit. The quality of this material is amazing, you guys. It's like almost like a ribbing sort of material. I don't know materials that well, but it's also like not see-through at all. It's got the little clips at the bottom, and the quality of this is like better than Zara quality. I would almost compare it to. I love this. I have no words. It's so pretty. It's like, I'm so sad that it's actually winter now, because this would have looked so pretty with like the events that I was supposed to attend, and the fact that it's a bodysuit and it's like that ribbing material. It feels like it almost sucks you in, and it's just so elegant and beautiful. Oh, I think this is like my favorite item. It's so cute, it's so girly, it's so elegant. It's just, this is me, you know. So this one is also one that I kind of took in a bigger size and I regret taking. The quality of this material is not that great. It's slightly see-through. You can see my sports bra over here, but this part is what got me. Like, I was so attracted to the puffy sleeves, and I like the little print. Well, not print really, but the design of the material. It's like see-through in one area and not. And then I don't know about this part. Like, I would have liked it to be a little bit tighter, but once again, if I had stuck to the size guides, I would have gotten the perfect size. But my mom can kind of just like take this down for me, and I think it's really cute to wear in winter as well. This top, once again, really fell in love with the puffy sleeves, but also took it in a bigger size, so it is like, you know, it's really loose. So for this sort of design, I feel like this has to be quite tight fitting and really hug the body. And then you have like these puffy sleeves. This has got like little velvet dots on it, and it's so cute. I like the fact that it's on my like clean arm, and then you have the tattoos on this side. So I'll definitely have this fit to my body, and then it's also really nice for an elegant night out. So before I show you guys some pants, I also actually got a hat like this. Unfortunately, this is the one thing I regret buying, because it was like kind of mushed up in the box, so it completely destroyed the hat. And I've tried everything to try and get it flat. I don't know if you should iron it. I don't know. The label says that you shouldn't, so I'm not really sure how I can fix this. But this, I think, would have looked so cute if it wasn't like all scrunched up. I don't know, maybe I can fix it, maybe not. But the quality, once again, is actually really good. I like the little detail over here with the little buckle. It's just a pity it's like, you know, looks like this. So I actually ordered 2 pair of pants for Kev, and this was the one. I can't seem to find the other one. Once again, we took a size bigger, and we really regret it, because the pants would have fit him perfectly according to the size guide. Now this is quite big, but the print is really cool, and it also has the clips over here, which I think is a cute little detail, and the pocket at the back. So yeah, he really loves this, and then his other pants as well, but I can't seem to find that. So we kind of just have to take this in a little bit just so it can fit in. I've been obsessed with, like, I don't know what you call it, like two-tone pants, two-tone t-shirts. You know, the same one I wore that's like cut, like looks like 2 t-shirts combined together. I got these 2 pants as well from them, and I actually wore this one at Beauty Revolution. Now the quality of this is like not the greatest. It's kind of like a clown pants, because once again I ordered a bigger size, and it's just like it goes so high. I think it looked really cool with how I styled it. I styled it in a way so it looks like funky and cute, and then it didn't look as bad really. But let me try on these ones so I can show you what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's not the most flattering fit, because it's really like, it's just too big for me. But I can actually get my mom to just like fix this so it will fit me properly. Maybe put the elastic down a bit more, so it's more like in my waist and not under my boobs, and then it might look cute. But I definitely pair this with like Converse or Fila, disruptors or that sort of thing. But I love the fact that you have like the white checker and the black checker, and I just think it's cool. So there you have it. This is my little SHEIN haul and review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun trying on these things, and I'm actually like happy with most of them. There's just 1 or 2 items where I'll just need to have them tailored and stuff like that, but overall I'm pretty happy. I'm also happy that I managed to buy these before, you know, the whole lockdown situation, because I do have some winter clothes now. And yeah, if you do want to purchase, I just advise to wait for the rand to become stronger against the dollar. But good luck with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon.